Hey guys, so today we are going to be doing the hoop combination K roll onto body, and then we did a knee swingy thing into a wedgie. So let me run through that first of all. So that is our little combination. You can do with it whatever you please, but these are the basic moves for it, or the basic ways we flow from one move to another. So we start with that K roll. So K roll, so popping that hoop out, nice straight arm. As our right hand is at the bottom, we're going to fold that hoop out. So it's going out and then it folds onto our body. Take your right hand to lead that hoop onto your body, and we take out our left leg. So then at this point, our hoop will be around our right leg, and we need to give that hoop energy so we can spin the hoop on our leg. So really just bounce your knee up and down to create some energy and give your hand a good push. At that point, when we are on our knee, we are going to look for the hole opening up in front of us. So as the hoop comes around and we can see this hole, we are going to dive through it with both arms on our head and then take that hoop into a wedgie. So from here, it's on our knee, we see that opening and we're going in for that wedgie.